Want to make passive income in 2025 using AI? Here are 5 powerful AI side hustles that can earn you money while you sleep. Number 1, AI YouTube automation. Use tools like ChatGPT to write scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Pictory to create videos. You can build a faceless YouTube channel in any niche and earn from ad revenue, affiliate links, and digital products. Number 2, AI digital products on Etsy. Use Canva's AI features to create templates, planners, and printables. Once listed, they sell 24/7 without extra work, giving you passive income. Number 3, AI-generated coloring books. With tools like Midjourney or DALLE, create unique coloring pages and publish them on Amazon KDP. Each sale earns royalties automatically. Number 4, AI stock images and videos. Generate high-quality images or videos with AI and sell them on stock platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock for recurring passive sales. Number 5, AI course creation. Use ChatGPT to outline and script courses in your name. Turn them into video lessons with Pictory or AI voiceovers, then sell them on platforms like Udemy or Teachable for passive income. These AI side hustles can create real passive income streams in 2025. Which one will you start first? Comment below and subscribe to AI Hustle Hub for daily videos on growing your income with AI.